Greetings everyone, my name is SumitSakarde. Welcome to Project 3, that is visualization of scalar, vector and tensor field on the composite body. Um, the body which I selected is the bottle, and the assumption which I have taken is the bottle is made of a homogeneous material, that is the cap, and the body is made of the same material. And for this body, the scalar field, which is a function of x1, x2, x3, which I've selected is x1 plus x2 upon 2 into cos x3 minus x1 minus x2 upon 2 into sin x3. This is the visualization of the scalar field, and the range of the scalar field is from minus 2.16 to plus 2.16. And for the following point, it is 1, 2 and 10, the scalar field is minus 2.67 and the scalar quantity is 2.67. Moving on to the tensor field, for this body, the tensor field I've selected is xi, xj, er dad, ej, and the tensor comes up to be this x1, 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 x2, x2, x1, x3, and so on. And for the body, for the point 1, 2, and 10, the tensor comes up to 1, 2, 10, 2, 4, 20, 10, 20, 100. So this is the tensor which I'll be using to perform on like a vector. For the vector field, for this the displacement which I have selected is that is twisting of the bottle. For this, the twisting is of 720 degrees, and the vector field of the twist is which is a function of x1, x2, x3 is x1 cos x3 upon 16h into 4 pi divided by 3r, and y is x2 sin x3 upon 16h into 4 pi divided by 3r, and z is x3 upon 16h, where h and r is equal to 1. The both values are 1, and this function plots in x and y direction, and this is the negative, like this is as the bottle is twisting. I've assumed that the length of the bottle will decrease, so this minus x3 by 16h. And for the following point, like 1, 2 and 0, the vector u comes up to be 0.667 and minus 0.625, and this is the following tensor which you have seen before. And the tensor acting on u, and the vector which is made because of the tensor is the components of the vector is minus 4.9167, minus 9.833, and minus 49.1667. These are the values which I've received and got from the MATLAB code, and they matches the exact match. And the other thing which I've done again is like I've created a second vector field, but the twist here is like the twist of the bottle is 360 degrees. So the vector field is the same, just there's a difference of 2 pi. That is, for the previous one it was 4 pi, and this one it's 2 pi. Rest is the same for the same points. The vector tu, where it is tensor acting on vector u. The components are minus 7.4285, minus 14.8570, and minus 74.2851. So this is these are the scalar, tensor, and vector fields. I'll show you how my body looks on the MATLAB. This is the body. As you can see, the twisting, like this is how the twisting is. These are the vector fields, and this is the like decrease in length. Because the twisting, this is where the twisting occurred. One like first twisting and the second twisting was here. That is why the bulge. There's a bulge here. Anyways, this is my project 3. Thank you so much.